A 29-year-old girl resigned to teach others how to use Excel, earning $780,000 a day. From an ordinary old counterattack to a millionaire, the secret of success is impulsive. Quitting your job and becoming a freelancer is an increasingly popular option. Some people have successfully achieved financial freedom and career success this way. Among them, some excel in teaching professional skills, such as Excel skills, helping them to earn good remuneration. The secret to success is not impulsiveness, but proper planning and wise decision-making. It takes determination, perseverance, and a spirit of innovation. In addition, success requires continuous learning and improving one's skills. Constantly looking for opportunities and solving problems, and actively discovering and utilizing market opportunities. In the process of becoming a freelancer, people need to have good time management and self-organization skills to ensure that they can use their time and resources effectively. At the same time, they also need to build their brand image, actively promote their skills and services, and network with other freelancers to share experiences and resources. In the end, success does not come overnight. It requires continuous effort and endurance. Only with these qualities and skills can you achieve your goals and win success on the road of freelancing. The secret to success. Faced with such a high-risk entrepreneurial road, Kat said in an interview, "If I shrink back the day I release the first video, my entire business will not exist." When someone asked her the secret of success, Kat put everything attributed to enough impulsiveness. It is easiest to stay in your comfort zone and persuade yourself not to act. The subconscious will try to come up with various arguments to keep you the same. Therefore, if you want to jump out of your comfort zone, the most important thing is enough impulsivity. The more impulsive actions you take, the easier it will be to push yourself forward.